Assistant Professor in Department of ISC. Uh,
Good morning, students. I'm Kiran Kumar V. Okay, so I'd like to give a brief explanation on your sixth lab program, that is circular queue. So, as you know that once when the queue is full, you can't insert the element. Okay, but here, say if you're going to delete an element, okay, in a queue, if you're going to delete an element, just assume, okay, if you're going to delete an element, the starting position will be empty. You're going to delete the first element, the starting position will be empty. Okay, so since the starting position of the element will be empty, now then also the normal queue shows a queue full condition because a top equals max size minus 1. But how to get rid of it? In order to get rid of it, we are going to go for what? Circular queue. Okay, that's the circular queue. Okay, and even here we'll declare a global function, and the maximum size of a stack is 4. Ch front equals 0, rear equals minus 1, same condition as that of your normal queue. Count equals 0, char q of max, that is you're setting the queue size to maximum is 4 comma item. Void insert, if count equals max, you're going to say that queue equals full, because as and when you're going to insert the element into a queue, you're going to increment the value of a queue is full. Else what you're going to do, rare equals rare plus 1 percentage max. Next to the queue of rare equals item, for that particular position you're going to insert an item, and then it will be count plus plus. Next, void delete, count is 0, queue is empty. Next, what are the, you have to check for a condition. So what condition you're going to check? If the value of front is greater than rare and rare equals max minus 1, okay, then you're going to adjust the front, and then count you're going to make it to 0, that is if the front is greater than rare. Okay, usually front shouldn't be greater than rare, right? So front should be less than rare, and rare equals max size minus 1. If the rare will be pointing to the max size minus 1 and the front exceeds rare, then you're going to set the position. Else what you're going to do, you're going to mark the item, then you're going to delete the item. Okay, you're going to mark the that item, and then you're going to delete that item. Okay, and front you're going to increment the front. Okay, and then you're going to decrement the count. Next comes the displaying. Okay, next comes the displaying. Int I equals f, I f equals front, r equals rear. Next, the condition is if count equals 0, then there are no elements, else the contents of the queue are, you're going to print it from f to rear. Okay, next you're going to print q of I. Okay, the content of a queue, you're going to print the q of I. Okay, and then you're going to set the front position, where front equals f plus 1 percentage max, and then you're going to end the function. Next comes the void main. Since it's a menu driven program, we have to give the condition 1 2 3 4. Just for exit, if you're going to enter the charge, based on the charge, enter the character or item to be inserted, you're going to enter the item insert. So the insert function gets called. Okay, and the logic will be written there, and rare equals rare plus 1 percentage max to that particular element you're going to insert. Next, you're going to delete the element. Okay, next display until and unless the c is not equal to 4. Okay, now what we are going to do, we will save the program. After saving the program, we'll debug. Let's see if there's any error. No, then we are going to start. So enter your choice. 1, enter the, okay, so sorry, this should be percentage, sorry, program. Okay, say I'm going to enter 1, enter your choice 1, I'm going to insert the element. Next, I'm going to enter the choice 1, I'm going to insert the element 2. Next, I'm going to enter the choice, I'm going to insert the element 3. I'm going to element 4. Now, I'm going to press the delete button, enter the choice 2. Okay. Now, I'm going to press the display button. Okay. So, this is the output for the